After daily driving an MK5 Supra for about 5 months, I found 5 things that get a little annoying with it. Here's my list. The small fuel tank. I find myself having to fill it up more than any other vehicle that I've owned. I average about 24 miles per gallon at least. The small or low windows. The way the roof comes down on the sides is the issue. This bothers me when I go through a drive-thru or go to a drive-up ATM. Other drivers. Seems everyone wakes up and decides they want to play. Let's pass up the Supra. And no one drives more aggressive than a person who drives the V6 version of their car. Especially the Charger and Challenger guys. Is that a Supra?
Is that a Supra?
Yeah, that got old after about a week of owning the car. It's not a real Toyota. It's just a rebadged BMW. I really don't care what it is. It looks real and feels real to me. Toyota and BMW are fine with it. I'm not sure why it bothers so many people. That's my list. So really, if it wasn't for other people, I'd only have the small fuel tank and window on my list.